Welcome to the Energy Market Wrap from Enverus. We start with BP, where leadership turnover continues as the head of its gas and low-carbon segment prepares to exit later this year. The move comes as the company reorganizes around a more focused upstream and downstream structure. It's a clear signal the supermajor is tightening its global strategy around core oil and gas operations. Staying with BP, the company delivered first gas from its Azeri-Chirag Gunashli development and is selling down its stake in the Browse LNG project. The combination highlights a strategy of bringing new volumes online while recycling capital from large-scale assets. Shifting to North American upstream, private equity company Post Oak has now completed 4 portfolio company sales in under 2 weeks, including its latest divestment in the Scoop. In Canada, Obsidian is accelerating development. The company is increasing capital spending and expanding its Belly River position through acquisition, targeting production growth and stronger cash flow. Also in Canada, Athabasca is strengthening its balance sheet to support growth. The company expanded its credit capacity significantly, positioning itself to scale thermal oil production and fund development in the Duvernay. Turning international again, Chevron is targeting long-term growth in Argentina. The company has filed a development plan for a large unconventional project in the Vaca Muerta, supported by new government incentives. The scale highlights the basin's growing importance in global supply. Moving to midstream, LNG momentum continues to build in the U.S. Delfin has issued a final investment decision for the first floating LNG project offshore Louisiana, marking a major milestone for the sector. It adds to a wave of new export capacity under development. That growth is being supported by infrastructure expansion. Caliche has sanctioned additional gas storage capacity in Texas, while Howard Energy is expanding its mid-continent footprint through acquisitions of gathering, processing, and pipeline assets. On the financing side, Venture Global is pushing out maturities with a new debt offering. The move reflects continued access to capital as LNG developers advance large-scale export projects. In oilfield services, Eldorado is acquiring Vantage Drilling to rebuild offshore scale, while Weatherford is expanding its completions portfolio through its acquisition of NCS Multistage. Both deals point to sustained investment in offshore and unconventional activity. And finally, in emerging energy, lithium production tied to oilfield operations is beginning to scale. Liberty Stream has delivered its first lithium carbonate volumes from produced water in the Permian. It's an early step in linking traditional energy infrastructure with critical mineral supply chains. Keep your finger on the pulse of the energy industry with Enverus publications. Our experienced writers cut through the noise and deliver insights that help you stay ahead of the curve. To learn more, reach out to business development at enverus.com or visit www.enverus.com. Thanks for listening.